Hello, in front of me I've got OUKITEL OKT1. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's enter Google app, tap the button in the top right corner, go to settings and enter Google Assistant. Enter voice match and enable Hey Google function. Tap next, agree and continue. Let's try it. Hey Google. Okay Google. Sometimes you have to retrain the voice model. So enter retrain and follow the questions. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Tap finish and let's try again. Okay Google. Let's go back and now enter lock screen. Make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, okay Google, what's the weather like tomorrow? And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.